Everything is so gray today. Gray sky, gray clouds.
Gray is boring. I want to see colors.
Did someone say colors?
Mommy, what are you hiding?
This is a sari. Traditional clothing from India.
It is so bright. Like sunshine.
And guess what? We are going to India!
India? What is special about India?
India is the most colorful country in the world.
Look, every city in India has its own color. Delhi has the Red Fort. Everything is red. Jaipur is called the Pink City. Pink buildings everywhere.
Wow. Why are those people covered in paint?
That is Holi, the festival of colors. People throw colored powder at each other.
They throw colors. That sounds fun.
Pack your bags. We are going to find all the colors.
India is very far, on the other side of the world.
India is in Asia. It has over 1 billion people.
Will we see all the colors, Mommy?
Every single one. I promise.
Look at all the lights and colors.
Isn't this wonderful?
So many people and sounds and smells.
It is very loud here.
India is full of life, full of energy.
What is that little car? It has 3 wheels.
That is an auto rickshaw, a taxi in India.
Here we go. Look at all the lights.
Wow, look at that blue truck.
The walls are so tall and so red.
This is the Red Fort. It is made of red sandstone.
It feels bumpy, like a rock.
Sandstone is a type of rock. Red sandstone makes everything red.
Red walls, red towers, red gates. Everything is red.
Say it with me. Red. R-E-D. Red!
Red fort. Red flag. Red flowers. I see red everywhere.
Come on over, my friends. This is the best food in the market tonight.
Wow, Daddy, can we get some, please? It looks amazing.
Something smells yummy and spicy.
We will try samosas and something sweet.
Wow. It is spicy. My mouth is hot.
Indian food has many spices. Spicy means hot flavor.
This one is sweet.
Like honey.
Spicy and sweet. India has both flavors.
I like spicy. My tongue is dancing.
The land is so flat and dry.
Are we going to the Pink City now?
Yes, Lily. We're almost there.
Yes, Jaipur. The whole city is pink.
A whole city? Pink? That seems impossible.
Wait and see.
It is real. Everything is pink.
Pink houses, pink shops, pink everywhere.
The king painted the city pink long ago to welcome a special guest.
And they kept it pink forever?
It became tradition. Now Jaipur is always pink. Say it with me. P-I-N-K.
Pink. Pink. Light pink. Dark pink. So many pinks. Pink is my favorite color. I love this city. So many windows. Tiny little windows. This is Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds. It has 953 windows. 900? Oh, that is too many to count.
I can feel wind coming through.
The windows let wind blow through. It keeps the palace cool.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
So the windows are like air conditioning? Clever. Wow, it's so big. Look at all the little windows. So many colors. Red, pink, yellow, blue, green.
Orange, bright like the sunset.
Purple, like grapes.
How do I look?
Daddy looks like a prince.
We need colorful clothes for Holi tomorrow
Why do we need special clothes?
because they are made with love for special occasions.
It is Holi Day! Wake up, everyone! I am ready. White clothes, like Mom said.
We wear white, so the colors show better.
That is the point. Today, we wear our colors.
What is that powder? This is gulal, colored powder for Holi.
Say it with me.
Gulal, gulal. It feels soft, like flour.
Holi celebrates spring, new beginnings, happiness.
So we throw this at people?
Yes, it means friendship and love.
I hear drums. Look! The air is turning colors. Pink! I caught pink! I am green now!
Happy Holi, Jack!
Yellow! Like the sun!
Blue! Like the ocean! Orange! Like fire!
I am rainbow.
Wow! Look at me now! How many colors am I?
Green, orange, pink, yellow, blue. 5 colors.
I cannot even see my white shirt anymore.
Daddy is a rainbow monster. Water. Cold water. They are chasing me.
This is the best festival ever.
The ground is a rainbow too.
Holi tradition. We share sweets with everyone.
Sweet. Like cookies, but different.
India has the best sweets.
Everyone looks the same now. Rich people, poor people, old, young. Everyone is just colorful.
That is the meaning of Holi. Everyone is equal. Everyone is happy.
I am pink and blue and yellow.
That is beautiful, Lily.
What colors do we see in the sunset?
Orange and pink and purple. The clouds are gold.
India taught us to see colors everywhere.
I do not think these colors will wash off.
I want to keep my colors forever.
What did we learn in India?
Red is for forts. Pink is for cities. Colors bring people together. At Holi, everyone is the same.
Spicy food is hot. Sweet food is yummy.
And India is full of color, love, and life.
Can we come back next year?
Yes, we will always come back. Let's remember what we learned in India. Red, the color of the fort. Pink, the color of Jaipur. Colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink.
Spicy. Hot flavor on tongue.
Sweet, yummy like sugar. Gulal, colored powder for Holi. Festival, a big celebration.
What is your favorite color? Tell us in the comments. Do you like spicy or sweet food?
Subscribe to explore more colors with us.
Click the bell. And happy Holi!
Namaste.
That means hello and goodbye in India.